Shelly, stand over here in front of the camera.
Good morning. Grab a cup of coffee and settle in. In today's video, we're just trying to find something worth sharing with you. We couldn't quite put together a full-length feature, so instead, we're giving you a little bit of this and that. A glimpse into what RAThbun has been up to lately. Out of the 12,000 people subscribed, there are about 100 of you who consistently show up, watch the videos, and genuinely care about the day-to-day content. I appreciate that more than you probably realize. If you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and supporting me on Patreon. It really helps a lot. I hope my bikini doesn't offend anyone out there. If it does, well, I guess I could take it off. Let me know what you think of me and my outfit. My name is Shelly.
Usually come in this door, but we're going out this door today. I want to show you a little bit of this and that. What we've been doing that I didn't want to show you, because I'm digging a hole. What we've done is we've pulled all them little bricks up that I made, because I only had half enough. And then now we're going to pour a concrete slab there again. You've watched me do that before. So we got that's all ready to go. About 3 or 4 days, something like that. We're going to head over and get a bunch of supplies. But we got that ready to go. And I made a little eave, little porch. There it is. Yeah. And you never, ever guess what it's made out of. Come on. Try to guess. Come on, somebody. Who? Okay, which one of you said? One of you said bed frames? I heard it. Yeah, I heard it. Looks like I could put one more screw in there, but that thing ain't coming off. Yeah, that's made out of bed frames. Yes, it is. That'll keep the rain off us when we're trying to unlock the door or whatever. Or trying just to get in it, whatever. Sometimes when it's raining, it comes right down on you. It won't now. You've got a place to stand. So I got that done. You've already seen this. I'm still waiting on the siding. Been over a month since the guy said he'd bring it to me. But I've learned with that guy, yeah, he'll get to it when he gets to it. Okay, now you hear the noise? Yeah, we got a nest of robins right in that box. That box is full of my skeletons, Halloween skeletons. And I pulled it down when I seen there was a nest and I was going to get rid of it, but there's babies in there now. There was eggs before, but that looks like somebody's out front. Yeah. That's coming down when they leave. That's coming down and that box won't be put back up there, because I don't want them in here. But this is what I've done for them. I've got some insulation put in. I got to go get another roll. This board comes off anyway when we get siding. Yeah, we've already got this side here is done on the inside, and the siding will go up on the outside. But this is where the robins is going to live. I'm evicting them. I'm getting them rid of them as soon as the babies are big enough to go. But we put a birdhouse up there. And I'll tell you what, that was a long ladder. And you know how well I like ladders. Let's see if we can show you that without being in the sun. Yep. Now that's supposed to be a robin house. They like it facing the north, which it does. And they like it high enough that nothing can get into it, which it is. So they can move in there. Then I've also brought lights all the way around here. So that's what I've been up to, and I could have made a lot of videos out of it, but I didn't want to. I'm just going to throw these on here, bits and pieces, what we're doing. Now them, I'm thinking they may go on over to there. We'll see. Right now they're going to sit there. But I'm going to take a break. I've been working on this all day, and well, matter of fact 2 days. And we're going to call that done. And that's going to look nice when he ever gets me my siding. And it'll match that side. This siding here is going to match this siding down here. They're going to be the same. So I'll have nice windows in there. That'll be nice. Then that's about it for the year. I got to do some trim work here and there later on. But we'll get to that. Anyway, that's it for this little addition. A little more of this and that. Got my siding finally. Only took a month, but they did do what they said they would do. And they did it because they're working on a house down the road, just like he said he would do. I've taken off all the boards. I'm going to use that inside. You'll see that later. But we got all the siding on. Don't have the trim on. I'm tired for today. I'm so tired I don't think I'm going to put tools up until I relax a little bit here. But I like the way that looks. It gives me plenty of light inside. I got to cut a hole again for the sewer to go through, but that ain't no big deal. I do have it marked in here, I think. I think I did. I thought I did. Maybe I don't. Huh. Oh, I bet it's behind that. Anyway, that's what it looks like inside. Now I'm gonna insulate. I don't put up a wall without insulation behind it. That one over there is fully insulated, except for this part right here. And I haven't decided what we're going to do there to keep everything out and be able to pull that extension cord back and forth. Working on that idea, but this is the way to look inside. Scrap pieces, put here and there. We're going to finish that wall back there. We're going to do this one next. I'm going to get parts, more supplies tomorrow. And then we're going to finish insulating this. Then we're going to take the wood we took off on the outside, just bring it in here and set it in here. And screw it on. Then we got this wall done all the way up 4 foot. Like I've said, that one's only going to go up another 2 foot probably. This one is going to go up a full 8 foot. You can see the mark right about there. The whole thing is only going to be about 8 foot. There's no reason to have a roof higher than 8 foot. I mean, a wall. I ain't going to bump into it up there. Anyway, that's a little more of this and that. And I'm thinking it looks pretty damn good myself. Shut the door so I don't bother the birds. You heard them in there. I don't know if you could hear them squawking or not. They should be moving out pretty soon. I got a lot of cleanup to do. And there's my boy. Yeah, you don't like noise, but when the noise is done, you come out, don't you? Good old boy. All right, there's another couple minutes of this and that. I like it. Well, we're out testing out the trailer today. Plenty of clearance, and I got about 1,000 pounds in there. And let me show you inside there. I'm gonna go see if I can find anything in this little store right here. I like shopping in there. If I can find anything, I'll open this up and show you what we got in there. We got plenty of clearance there now. I like it. And it rides good. A little more of this and that. Look what I found at the old secondhand or desert industry thrift store. Yard art. That's real. That's metal. I found some yard art. I think that'll be cool. Plus, we went to Home Depot and we got concrete, insulation, some USB board. We got a lot of stuff in there. So, we're going to go take that home and we'll start working on stuff. But I think that's a pretty cool find. I like that. So we're going to throw it in the back right on top of that. Hopefully it don't hurt nothing because it's heavy. I wheeled it out. I didn't carry it. Put that in there. Then off we go to the next adventure. A little more this and that. My goodness, we got a mess. But we got the wall up. That wall's up and insulated. And I got that much of that done today. And that's all I'm doing. We'll put that piece up there tomorrow. I'll show you that in the next video. But this is done. This is the free piece I got. I decided to put it there because it was already sitting in here. Yeah, the birds are gone. But boy, did they leave a mess. I'm not letting them in here again. That's a minute of what we did today, which took me all day to do it. There's my boy again. Stay tuned. We'll throw another one on here in just, well, right now. The clip right now is the next one. Huh. a little bit more of what we're doing around here. That's going to be the next project because this one's done. Yep, this is as done as it's going to get for now. All the way over to there. I'm not going to start that side over there, not even this year. I do have some wood. I may go ahead and frame up 2 feet up there across. I got some really cheap wood, 70% off. You can't beat that. So I might do that in another video, not in this video, because this video is done. Everything is so crooked, I could not get it exactly straight like here. I couldn't get it that close. I had a gap, got a big gap there because it's so crooked. But once I got this one straightened out for me, then the rest of it went on a lot better. I'm sorry, probably making you sick that close. But this is all up. These guys used to sponsor me, but they never gave me any money. You guys bought stuff from them, but I never seen any money out of it. So I quit. And I don't even know if you can get F11 anymore. Anyway, all you gotta do now is clean out this and put all that stuff back over here. Yep. Good morning, it's another day, a beautiful day. To be exact, I think it's Mother's Day. Yeah, you're getting this way later. Unless you're on Patreon, then you're getting it today. Well, probably tomorrow. Anyway, you're gonna get it sooner. I got to get it done before I can put it on there. But we got, remember we built that little building and sealed it up. And so I pulled out the cement mixer. Yep, that's what we're doing today. I haven't poured concrete in 3 years now. And you know what? Either them bags are getting heavier or last time I got them, I got 60 pounders. Because these are 80 pounders. They seem to be a lot heavier. Anyway, I'm going to start on that. I'm probably not going to, you've seen me pour concrete before. You put the concrete, you put water in here to start with, like I got right there. You put some water in there, then you start shoveling a little of that in. This little Harbor Freight mixer will do about 2 bags pretty easily. I tried 3, it will do it, but it strains it. So why? I don't want to ruin it because I got that much more to go, and I don't want to mix it in that wheelbarrow, that's for sure. So anyway, we're going to mix that up, pour it in there, and maybe I'll show you a little bit in between, but I'm not going to show you the whole thing because this is just a this and that video. Got cardboard everywhere. I don't want concrete. Well, she's poured. She's soupy. We're going to let that, naturally the water evaporate off the top of that. We've already screeded it, thanks to my wife right there. Probably doesn't want her picture taken. Means I just drug her out of house on Mother's Day.
Yeah, this is what I'm doing on, not what I pictured.
I'm going to take your picture
on Mother's Day.
No, this wasn't it, huh?
No.
Anyway, we got the first time screed on. Matter of fact, the screed's done now. What the screed is, you just drag a board across, make sure it's level. It is. Now I take them 2 tools once she sets up a bit, go around it, smooth it out, then we do a broom finish like this. If I can coats. If I can get my dog, Hank, to walk across there, we're going to leave his toenail prints in it. If we can. But not now. We've got to wait till it gets pretty firm. Or it'll just be big old holes in the concrete. Well, that's what we got done there. Well, there it is. It's done. I need to hose the outside off, it looks like. I hosed all the concrete off here, get all the loose dust and stuff off. But that's done. I'm getting ready to barbecue for Vicky. Like I said, it is Mother's Day. And I did not force her to come out here. Somewhere in here, there's some little dog footprints. There and there. Walking across my concrete. That's okay. That's okay. Matter of fact, I like it. So that's all done. That's going to be the end of this little this and that video. I got lots of trim work and stuff I'm going to do, but I'm not going to bore you guys. It's just I don't know. I'm not. Nobody seems to. I got a few of you, like the lady said at the beginning. It's got a few of you that watch all my videos, but I don't know if you enjoy them enough to continue doing this kind of stuff. We're going to be going to Sturgis soon. I'm sure you all want to watch that one. But for right now, that's going to do it on this video. Haven't put one on there in a long time, but you'll see this one just 2 days later than the last one you saw. So, thanks for watching this one. I hope you did enjoy it.
We hope you liked the video. If you subscribe to our channel by clicking the little button here, you're going to get notified new videos. Join our Patreon, it helps a lot.